ACCUPLACER Health Professions Ratio Questions. Question 1. Calculate how many practice packets are available after a allied health classroom receives 8 boxes with 9 in each box plus 12 loose copies. Option A, 72. Option B, 84. Option C, 29. Option D, 168. The correct answer is option B, 84. Multiplication is needed first because each box contains 9 items, giving 72, and the loose copies are then added for 84. The other choices either add the numbers without grouping, ignore the loose copies, or multiply the wrong quantities together. Question 2. Multiply 3/4 by 3 to estimate the total number of practice sets completed in repeated sessions for review set 26. Option A, 15/4. Option B, 3/4. Option C, 9/4. Option D, 3/2. The correct answer is option C, 9/4. Multiplying a fraction by a whole number multiplies the numerator while keeping the denominator, which gives 9/4 after simplification. The distractors add the whole number, multiply both numerator and denominator, or change only part of the fraction incorrectly. Question 3. A measurement drill uses 0.3 ml per item for 11 items. What decimal amount of ml is used in all? Option A, 11.3. Option B, 3.9. Option C, 0.03. Option D, 3.3. The correct answer is option D, 3.3. The per item amount is repeated 11 times, so multiplication gives 3.3 ml. The other options add unlike quantities, use the wrong item count, divide instead of multiply, or misplace the decimal. Question 4. A timed drill rises from 75 completed items to 83. What is the percent increase to the nearest tenth? Option A, 10.7%. Option B, 110.7%. Option C, a -9.6%. Option D, 8%. The correct answer is option A, 10.7%. Percent increase uses the change divided by the original value, then multiplied by 100, giving 10.7%. The incorrect answers use the new value as the comparison base, report only the raw change, or treat total percent as percent increase. Question 5. If one skill station should serve 5 candidates and 100 candidates attend, how many stations are needed before rounding up for logistics? Option A, 105. Option B, 20. Option C, 95. Option D, 0.05. The correct answer is option B, 20. The number of equal stations before rounding is the total candidates divided by candidates per station, giving 20. The other options add or subtract instead of forming a rate, invert the division, or round when the question asks before rounding. Question 6. How many millimeters are equal to 13 centimeters in a measurement skills check? Option A, 1.3. Option B, 23. Option C, 130. Option D, 1,300. The correct answer is option C, 130. Each centimeter contains 10 millimeters, so 13 centimeters equals 130 millimeters. The distractors divide, add, or use a meter-based factor instead of the centimeter to millimeter factor. Question 7. A line is modeled by y equals 3x plus 6. What x value gives y equals 15? Option A, 5. Option B, 4. Option C, 9. Option D, 3. The correct answer is option D, 3. The constant 6 is subtracted from 15, and the result is divided by slope 3, giving x equals 3. The incorrect options divide before subtracting, stop at the numerator, or combine slope and intercept incorrectly. Question 8. A candidate has 100 questions to review, has finished 55, and splits the rest evenly over 5 days. How many per day? Option A, 9. Option B, 20. Option C, 11. Option D, 50. The correct answer is option A, 9. First subtract completed work from the total, then divide the remaining questions by the number of days, giving 9. The other choices divide the wrong amount or add days instead of distributing the workload. Question 9. Calculate the range for the completion times 9, 18, 12, and 14 minutes for review set 26. Option A 13.2. Option B 9. Option C 13. Option D 18. The correct answer is option B, 9. The range is the maximum minus the minimum, so 18 to 9 equals 9. The other choices are the mean, median, maximum, or minimum rather than the spread. Question 10. For a single 4-option multiple-choice item with one correct option, what is the chance of guessing correctly for review set 26? Option A 3/4. Option B 1/3. Option C 1/4. Option D 4. The correct answer is option C, 1/4. One option out of 4 is correct, so the probability of guessing correctly is 1/4. The other choices count the incorrect options, use the wrong denominator, invert the ratio, or double the favorable outcomes. Question 11. A table shows points 2, 5, and 5, 11. What is the slope of the line through them? Option A 6. Option B 3. Option C 0.5. Option D 2. The correct answer is option D, 2. Slope is change in y divided by change in x, so 11 to 5, / 5 to 2 equals 2. The incorrect options use only one change, invert the ratio, or add 1 to the actual slope. Question 12. Find the area of a rectangular study table that is 13 feet long and 8 feet wide. Option A 104. Option B 42. Option C 21. Option D 208. The correct answer is option A, 104. Area of a rectangle is length times width, so 13 times 8 equals 104 square feet. The other choices calculate perimeter, add dimensions, double the area, or subtract dimensions. Question 13. Select the best central idea of this statement. A placement score is most helpful when it guides the student toward the right course level, for review set 26. Option A. Testing should be avoided whenever possible. Option B. Placement testing supports appropriate course placement. Option C. Only memorization matters in health programs. Option D. Long study sessions always produce the best results. The correct answer is option B. Placement testing supports appropriate course placement. The central idea should summarize the whole statement without adding a new claim or narrowing the focus too much. The other choices either contradict the statement, exaggerate one detail, or introduce an idea that the sentence does not support. Question 14. Infer the most reasonable conclusion from this note. The learner highlighted unfamiliar terms and wrote definitions beside them, for review set 26. Option A. The note proves the student has already mastered every topic. Option B. The note rejects the value of organized review. Option C. Vocabulary development is part of the learner's strategy. Option D. The note focuses only on memorizing answer letters. The correct answer is option C. Vocabulary development is part of the learner's strategy. A reasonable inference must follow from the information given without stretching beyond it. The incorrect options are too absolute, contradict the note, or claim details that are not stated. Question 15. In an academic sentence about health program readiness, what does the word ambiguous most nearly mean for review set 26? Option A. Proven by exact data. Option B. Written with perfect grammar. Option C. Arranged in time order. Option D. Open to more than one meaning. The correct answer is option D. Open to more than one meaning. The word ambiguous is used in academic contexts to mean open to more than one meaning. The other choices describe unrelated actions, opposite meanings, or features of writing that do not match the term. Question 16. Why would a writer likely opens with a surprising statistic about missed math questions for review set 26? Option A. To capture attention and introduce the importance of math review. Option B. To distract readers from the main claim. Option C, to remove the need for supporting evidence. Option D, to make the paragraph less organized. The correct answer is option A, to capture attention and introduce the importance of math review. A rhetorical choice should help the writer develop meaning, guide the reader, or support a claim. The incorrect options describe weak writing moves that would reduce clarity or relevance. Question 17. Combine these two ideas most accurately. Clear transitions guide readers, and organized paragraphs help readers follow reasoning. For review set 26. Option A. Only the first idea matters for test preparation. Option B. Readers benefit when transitions and organization work together. Option C. The two ideas contradict each other completely. Option D. Neither idea can be used in academic preparation. The correct answer is option B. Readers benefit when transitions and organization work together. A synthesis should preserve both ideas and show the relationship between them. The incorrect choices ignore one idea, invent a contradiction, or draw an unsupported extreme conclusion. Question 18. Choose the sentence with correct subject-verb agreement for review set 26. Option A. The group of nursing candidates review algebra together. Option B. The group of nursing candidates reviewing algebra together. Option C. The group of nursing candidates reviews algebra together. Option D. The group of nursing candidates are review algebra together. The correct answer is option C. The group of nursing candidates reviews algebra together. The verb must agree with the true subject, not with a nearby prepositional phrase or distracting noun. The incorrect choices use a verb form that does not match the subject or create an incomplete sentence. Question 19. Select the sentence with the clearest punctuation for review set 26. Option A. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Option B. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Option C. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Option D. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. The correct answer is option D. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Correct punctuation shows how ideas are connected and prevents sentence confusion. The incorrect choices omit needed commas, misuse punctuation between clauses, or place punctuation where it interrupts the sentence. Question 20. Pick the sentence that uses Standard English correctly for review set 26. Option A. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and me. Option B. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and I. Option C. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and myself. Option D. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and mine. The correct answer is option A. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and me. Standard usage requires correct pronoun case, verb form, and count word agreement. The incorrect choices use non-standard pronouns, mismatched verbs, or less/fewer incorrectly. Question 21. Choose the best transition for the blank. The learner mastered fractions quickly. Blank, percentages required extra practice. For review set 26. Option A. Therefore. Option B. However. Option C. For instance. Option D. In the same way. The correct answer is option B. However. The transition must match the logical relationship between the ideas, such as contrast, sequence, or cause and effect. The other choices signal relationships that do not fit the sentence. Question 22. Choose the most concise revision of this sentence. There are many students who benefit from reviewing missed questions. For review set 26. Option A. There are reviewing missed questions from many students who benefit. Option B. Many students, who are many, benefit from missed questions reviewing. Option C. Many students benefit from reviewing missed questions. Option D. Reviewing missed questions are benefited by many students. The correct answer is option C. Many students benefit from reviewing missed questions. A concise revision removes unnecessary words while preserving the original meaning. The incorrect choices are awkward, wordy, grammatically flawed, or less clear than the original. Question 23. Using common medical word parts, what does hepatitis most likely mean for review set 26? Option A, inflammation of the heart. Option B, removal of the kidney. Option C, study of blood. Option D, inflammation of the liver. The correct answer is option D, inflammation of the liver. The word parts in hepatitis point to inflammation of the liver. The other choices use different roots, prefixes, or suffix meanings and do not match the term. Question 24. Identify the organ that filters blood to form urine for review set 26. Option A, kidney. Option B, stomach. Option C, the lung. Option D, pancreas. The correct answer is option A, kidney. The kidneys filter blood, regulate fluid balance, and produce urine. The stomach digests food, the lungs exchange gases, and the pancreas produces digestive enzymes and hormones. Question 25. A claim is supported by repeated measurements from several trials. What makes the claim stronger for review set 26? Option A, a louder presentation. Option B, consistent evidence across trials. Option C, a larger font on the chart. Option D, a personal preference. The correct answer is option B, consistent evidence across trials. Reliable conclusions depend on consistent evidence gathered through repeated trials. Presentation style or preference does not strengthen scientific support without data.